Hi everyone, in this video let's see how you can use the schedule post option while creating an Instagram post in SuperIG. So for that you will configure every detail about this, and later on you have an option to schedule the post for later. You will click on that. From here you can set the date, you can set the time, and your post will be scheduled for that date and time. For example, I want to post it on the 22nd. I will enter the time. So over here I can see that my post is scheduled for this date at this time, and once done you will click on publish to Instagram. So my post has now been scheduled. Thank you.